In this video, you'll learn how to do the double crochet. Because this stitch is a little bit longer than the half double crochet, we have to create the high, okay, to start it. So we won't start like in the second chain from the hook. We will skip 3 in this case. So we skip 1, 2, 3, and insert the hook in the 4th chain, okay? Yarn over, insert the hook in this 4th, and pull it through. Yarn over again, pass it through 2 loops only, and you have 2 in the hook. Yarn over again, and pass it through both loops. This is your first double crochet, this one here. You see? These are the chains that we had to skip in order to create the high, because as you see, the stitch is a little bit long, okay? So let's do it again. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull it through, yarn over, pass the yarn through the first 2 loops, yarn over again, and pass in the last 2. You see? This is our second double crochet. Let's continue doing it together. Yarn over, insert the hook in the chain, pull it through, yarn over again, and pass in 2 loops. You have 2 loops in the hook, yarn over again, and pass it in the last 2. And this is our double crochet.